The Jeep Wrangler has a spirit, and Mark Allen is one of its keepers. That's why the 2018 edition still has a fold-down windshield, despite the reality that even the most die-hard Wrangler owners seldom use it anymore. The folding screen dates to the origins of the Wrangler, when Willys were sent to Europe during World War II. The reasons: the windshields folded down for shipping, and the guy in the back with a howitzer, says Allen, the longtime Jeep design boss, delivered in 2017 in the FCA Design Dome. The line comes across as a quip, but it's historically dead on. It's through this lens that Allen and the rest of the Jeep designers and engineers devised the modern successor to a primitive military vehicle. The windshield folds down in minutes with a turn of 4 bolts on this new generation, the JL. It takes about 90 minutes and 28 bolts to do the same on the outgoing JK. Need it or not, the windshield is better and more functional for 2018. Even if it looks about the same, this aptly sums up the new model. Get closer and get inside. Look under the hood. There's much more going on than is evident at first glance. Allen says the broad strokes of the current design didn't change because he wanted to remain true to the Wrangler's identity, which lights the path for the entire brand. Crazier ideas were considered, but ultimately, this evolutionary approach was deemed the best. The Wrangler is instantly recognizable around the world, says Jeep boss Mike Manley. It has been and remains the absolute icon of the brand, but it is different, and by using any objective metrics, better. The JL is lighter than the JK. It offers a new engine with a mild hybrid function. More on that later. Fuel economy is improved. The interior is nicer, yet still rugged. The on-road ride quality is upgraded, but you can still scale mountains and conquer the jungle. Still, it looks about the same. Let's start there. The round headlights are all LED, with a horizontal projector sandwiched between the high beams. The taillights are square and have available LEDs. The grille has been massaged to a keystone design that recalls the CJ. Allen says, the front wheels are pulled slightly forward, and the belt line is lowered. The vehicle also is longer. How much depends on the version, which creates a better stance. Half doors will be offered on the Rubicon model in 2019. Yeah.